If you're working in the gig economy during these very unique times with quarantines, with stay-at-home orders, contactless delivery is very important for your customers. So as a driver, what should you do when it comes to safety, managing these contactless deliveries, and also meeting the expectations of these different apps? I drive here in San Diego, California, mainly on DoorDash and Postmates. So whenever I'm instructed to make a contactless delivery, here's what I do. Number one, let's talk about gloves. Now, when the quarantines, when these stay-at-home orders were first announced here in San Diego, I was a heavy proponent of using gloves all the time when making deliveries. Not so much anymore, and there's a good reason why. After doing my own research, and really if you just think about it, you're going to be touching the same surfaces if you're wearing gloves or not. What it really comes down to is sanitation. Especially now, in my opinion, it's a lot easier to find hand sanitizer. So that's the big thing as a driver. So what I'll do is before making that delivery to the customer is using hand sanitizer. These apps are going to instruct you to simply leave the food at the customer's door. If you'd like to take this to the next level, let's say you're going to use hand sanitizer right before you leave your vehicle. Well, you could also do so right before you remove the customer's food. And you can even use some kind of spray sanitizer on the packaging. So that's up to you. For me, I'm just using hand sanitizer as much as I can. I'm being mindful of surfaces that I touch. And remember, it doesn't have to be a sterile delivery. It's going to be a contactless delivery. And with that, remember, when you are making the delivery, make sure to cleanly, nicely set up the food at the front door, what have you, and even hide it from street view if you'd like. Now, typically, your customers are actively tracking the order as well, so you don't have to worry about security as much. But remember, some of these apps are going to ask you to also verify the order with a picture as well. So number one, using hand sanitizer frequently. Number two, being mindful of surfaces that you touch. Number three, when making the delivery, make sure that quality also matters with presentation and leaving food at the door. And number four, verification. If required, make sure to take the picture to verify you've made that delivery. So let us know down below in the comments. Do you do anything else? Or do you have any recommendations for contactless delivery? If you've enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, and make sure to check out the first link in my description. That's for my Amazon storefront for the very best accessories in the delivery space. Click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.